Have you ever wondered how to open a suitcase lock when you forgot the code? In this video, I'll show you how to open it without damaging the lock or using any special tools. Don't put metal screwdrivers inside. Most locks have plastic and delicate parts that can easily break. A friend who works in airport security showed me this method that leaves no marks and doesn't damage the suitcase. He uses this trick every day at work. Since the lock parts are very small, prepare a small plastic stick. I'll be using disposable floss picks. They work perfectly for this task. A flashlight will also help you see the mechanism better. Lay the suitcase on its side so you can see the side of the lock and the number wheels. As you can see, the suitcase is locked and the code I entered doesn't work. Luckily, I know this trick. Use the stick to move them. This is an important step because we are looking for a small opening that should appear underneath them. You'll notice it because it's darker and you can insert the flat side of the stick into it. Set all the lock wheels in this position. You can use the stick to make sure everything is lined up correctly. The stick makes this task much easier and helps you avoid missing this small detail. Now move the mechanism 2 positions to the left. Let me know in the comments what city you're watching from. In some suitcases, it will be the first position to the left of the opening in the mechanism, and that's it. My suitcase opened without any special equipment or damaging the lock. Avoid a damaged and scratched suitcase. You need to try this before your next trip. Anyone who travels frequently knows this common problem. After landing, your suitcase looks like it went through a battlefield. Dust, scratches, spilled liquids, and even cracks. All of these can happen to your luggage. And to make matters worse, finding your suitcase among dozens of similar ones at the airport can be a challenge, but there's a simple trick to prevent this. Just use a large t-shirt as a protective cover. Choose a shirt wide enough to fit over your suitcase, then stretch it over the bag. Tuck the sleeves inside to ensure a snug fit so it doesn't slip off during transport. This DIY cover not only protects your suitcase from damage, but also makes it easier to spot on the baggage carousel. If you pick a bright or patterned t-shirt, your luggage will instantly stand out among the rest. A simple, cheap, and effective trick worth trying before your next trip. Stop packing your suitcase like that. There's a better way. Most of us lay it flat on the floor or a surface and pack clothes that way. But here's a smarter method. Stand your open suitcase upright on its wheels and pack your clothes vertically, like you're stacking them on a shelf. This way, you have direct access to everything and can actually see what you've packed. As soon as I enter a hotel room, I put my suitcases in the bathtub. You can laugh at me, but this rule protects me from serious problems. It's a good habit worth adopting during vacations, especially when staying in a hotel where we've never stayed before. Many people, right after entering the room, put their suitcases on the floor or bed. They begin to take out clothes and hang them in the closet. That's a huge mistake. There might be unseen guests in the room who could nestle in your luggage. I'm talking about bed bugs, which are common in places where many people pass through. Bed bugs can live in mattresses and upholstered furniture brought in by the previous occupant. Room cleaning is usually superficial, especially in busy hotels. When you enter a room, the first thing you should do is put your suitcases in the bathtub or shower. This is the area most thoroughly cleaned by the staff. Then, check the cleanliness of the mattress. Lift it up and see what the bed looks like underneath. Look into the seams of the mattress, bed frame, and headboard. Bed bugs love to stay in narrow crevices. If you don't notice anything suspicious, then and only then, take your suitcases out of the bathtub. Transporting these bugs from vacation could cost you a lot, so it's worth spending these few minutes on this test. Although it may seem strange, it can save you a lot of trouble. This trick will save your clothes on any trip. Take a scented dryer sheet and cut it into a few smaller pieces. Place them between your clothes in the suitcase. Forget about that stale suitcase smell. Your clothes will stay fresh even while traveling. A simple hack that always works. Your clothes will thank you for it. I always do this before every flight. It's a simple way to avoid a lot of problems. A friend who's a flight attendant taught me this trick. It saves you a lot of money and gives you more peace of mind while traveling. It takes very little effort but makes a big difference. More and more people use this method because they know how important it is. Wrapping your suitcase in plastic wrap increases your luggage's security. It doesn't just protect against scratches or cracks, which is helpful when you pack it to the limit. The wrap also prevents it from splitting open and spilling your things. Most importantly, it's great protection against theft. Even locked zippers can be opened easily with a simple pencil if your suitcase doesn't have a reversed zipper. You just slide the pencil between the teeth and the zipper opens without any damage. The wrap stops this from happening. And if you wrap your suitcase at home, you'll save a lot of money you'd otherwise spend getting it wrapped at the airport. We're testing the trick to unlock a car with the keys locked inside, which had over 100 million views. Let's see if it really works or if it's just another myth. I take a piece of chewing gum and put it in the door lock. Now, I take an iPhone cable with a thin end and insert it into the keyhole. Then I'll use 2 large batteries. They need to be connected with the correct polarity, exactly positive to negative. I place a rubber band around them. It needs to be tied tightly. I take a piece of tape and attach the other end of the cable between the batteries. As you can see, the keys are locked inside the car. Now, I take metal kitchen tongs and carefully press them. Metal objects conduct electricity well. I tape them down to make sure everything stays in place. To generate some heat, I take a kitchen wire scrubber and rub it to create a charge that will travel through the cable to the car's lock. I do this for a while. But as you can see, nothing happens and the car is still locked. This trick just doesn't work, even though it had millions of views. It's better to call for proper help than waste time on tricks like this. Place a coin next to the key and take a picture. With it, you will be able to open the door in an emergency without calling a locksmith. This trick allows you to open the door when you don't have a spare key. I already have a picture of my key. Now, take a picture of yours. Take the coin and the key, place them next to each other, and take a photo. When you lose your key, find the picture. Display it on your phone. Place the same coin on it as in the photo and adjust its size to make them identical. This way, you'll have the exact size of the key. Stick a piece of plastic on the screen. It could be a small piece, for example, from a bottle. Regular adhesive tape will hold the plastic in place. Trace the outline of the key on it. Do this slowly and carefully. Peel off the plastic with the traced key from the phone. Take scissors and carefully cut out the key. It's important not to miss any teeth. It will take a moment. Now you have a new spare key, you'll be able to open the door with it. It works perfectly in such situations. Don't pack your shoes like that if you don't have shoe bags or anything else to wrap them in. Take them out. There's a zipper in the lining of the suitcase. Unzip it and put the shoes in there. The lining material will protect your clothes from getting dirty. Zip it up and now start packing the clothes you need to take, and that's it.